flooring, and this is your living area. So this is your kitchen area. The layout says that you can add this is a huge master bed in the center of the room. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing 3 BHK sample flat tour of Ranka Ankura by Ranka Group, which is located in Tani Sandra, North Bangalore. And right now I'm standing on the main entrance of our project. So the land parcel starts from here, and once you enter, on your right hand side will be the marketing office. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bought-to-read guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project via 3D model, and the project is spread across 4.7 acre of land parcel consisting of 4 residential towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 20 and 21 floor, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities, so as you can have a look, here's the luxurious amenities like of a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis court. Here's the basketball court. Other amenities like of kids play area, amphitheater and many more. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is bang on Tani Sandra main road in Tani Sandra, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance of Ranka Ankura. So here's the main entrance of our project and about the Tani Sandra main road, so which is right in front of me over here. This is the Tani Sandra main road. This road on the left hand side will connect you towards Nagwara, and the opposite side road, that is the right hand side, will take you towards Satanur. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to Kogilu main road in 450 meters, Bhartiya Mall of Bangalore is 2.5 kilometers and New Airport Road is 2.9 kilometers away from this project. Now without wasting any time, let's quickly move inside your 3 BHK model flat of 1635 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of your house. So we'll be entering through your main entrance, and this is your foyer area for your privacy. You can have a look at the flooring and you can set up your shoe rack right over here. So basically this house comes up with vitrified marble finishing flooring, and this is your living area. You can have a look at the living area where you can add up your sofa set like this. Here's a TV unit space. Additionally, they are providing a perfect balcony. So this is a balcony attached to your living area. Comes up with anti-skid flooring. Iron railing, and this balcony will give you perfect two-side open view. Now about the dining space, so your dining area is right over this side. You can have a look how beautifully the dining table is set over here for your reference. You can add in your huge horizontal dining table, and this dining area is very near to your kitchen area. So this is your kitchen area. The layout says that you can add up your parallel platforms like this. The cabinets are done for your reference. And this is an enclosed dry balcony, comes up with anti-skid flooring, divided via tile rope. A window is here for ventilation and lighting purpose, and provision for your machine is inside your utility space. Now about your bedroom area. So your bedroom number 1 is on the other side of the house. We'll be walking through your living and dining area. Before that, right over this side is your common washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. Now your bedroom number 1 is just behind me. So let's enter towards your bedroom number 1. So as you step in, you can have a look at the space over here. There's ample of space to move around inside the room. Here's a bed space, and the interior says that this bedroom is done for your kids. You can add up your study table. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. About the wardrobe space, which is right over here, you can add up your wardrobe, and there is a private washroom as well. So this bedroom comes up with attached washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. about your bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 is in the center of your house, right over this side. So here's the entrance for your bedroom number 2. As you step inside, you can have a look over here, the flooring, the ceiling height, and this room is also much more spacious with a bed space, a window for ventilation and perfect natural light. You can add up your TV unit space, your work table, and about the wardrobe space, which is right over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, which is just beside this room. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key feature of Housey. Housey is here with the actual location tour with some sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are only on the Housey.com. So to grab it for free, register for free only on Housey.com and schedule your free site visit. Now about the master bedroom, which is right over here. So this is the entrance for your master bedroom. And once you enter, you can have a look at the space. This is a huge master bed in the center of the room, and there is not just a window. They are providing a perfect private balcony. You can have a look how perfectly the natural light enters from the balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will also give you two-side open view. And this is a space for your dressing area, your TV unit, and here's the wardrobe space right over here. About the private washroom, yes, they have a private washroom as well, with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. The shower area, which is divided via tile drop. So now, as you all know, we are here in Tanisandra location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.